video is on more police shitfuckery, but actually it's got to do with now Vic roads. So as I said, I told my nephew to make a complaint to Vic roads in regard to the fraudulent claims of Victoria Police and Fines Victoria, and the fraudulent claim is that obviously they're fining him, so they're claiming that they've incurred a commercial loss. I guess they haven't been able to provide the material evidence for that commercial loss. They've been unable to produce a enforcement order. So that was the terms and conditions with Vic Roads, that they can take points as like it was partly paid, fully paid, or enforcement order. So the enforcement order is basically a warrant, so they're unable to produce a warrant either. So now he rang up, he sent an email in regard to that complaint. He got a response back. He wasn't happy with the response. And then what happened? So he rang him up another day to talk to him about the complaint that he made, and the complaint was then hidden, and the Vic Road staffer basically explained to him that it was the first time that they'd seen a hidden complaint. So I thought that was interesting as well. So then I put it through a complaint, and the same thing happened with me. So then I rang them up to talk about this complaint, and they couldn't actually. The number was there, the complaint number was there, but the run-of-the-mill Vic Road staffer could not actually access that complaint. So I think that's probably got to do with the reservation of the rights. Obviously, privacy is one of those rights, and they obviously take steps to shut it down from their staff seeing it, which is and that's probably a little bit extreme, but anyway, so they're taking the appropriate measures if that's what it's all about. So they actually haven't removed these points yet, but they will do. So he's going to be having a chat with them in the next couple of days. So I'll keep everyone posted in regard to the fraudulent activities of Victoria Police, Fines Victoria, and Vic Road. So there's a clear violation of rights, and what I mean there is the right to contract and the right of refusal. So it's your account. You've got the account with that corporation, so which is in your legal fiction name. You're the beneficiary, so and you make sure that you're the trustee on that account as well. So don't approve any fraudulent activities by any other corporation such as Victoria Police and Fines Victoria. So I will keep everyone updated in the procedure of the shitfuckery. So this is his first time of doing it, so I told him that obviously because it's his first time, he has to rip into them hard, and if they make any claims, to produce evidence, so they basically said that Victoria Police or whatever and Fines Victoria have the right to do so. So he goes, well, okay, if that's the claim you're making, can you produce that signed instrument? So yeah, just don't put up with the claims that they make. If they make a claim, then request to see the evidence to produce. Please produce the evidence. Please produce signed evidence, or affidavit. That's it. So, alright. Cheers. Bye.